Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a CA67 military field phone. This is Andrew's telephone from California. Now, we did some earlier videos on this telephone, initial checkout and some middle of the road video, I believe, and basically Andrew wanted the lights to flash back and forth, and we have what's flashing now when the handset's on the hook. It's idle in yellow and on hook in red, and we have a bunch of other lights that we have connected once you pick the handset up. Now, here's an off and on switch that we utilized, and you can turn the voltage off to the lights, and when you turn it on, they'll be back on. We also used a high and low volume for your receiver, and we had a low and high setting for your bell and off. We also, on the keypad, we had to rewire a new board to the keypad, and all of our numbers here work. We have music on hold here, we have a flash here, and we have redial down here. So basically, there was quite a bit to this conversion here. We also added a power cord, and this shows you the back of the telephone right here. So we installed a power plug, and now we have a power cord. It goes off to a transformer like you would see on a cordless phone or an answering machine. So basically, this gives you a little look at what we went through to do the conversion on this telephone. It's really a very cool telephone, and we've had a lot of calls on this telephone. It's really a very nice situation and telephone, and highly collectible. So now what we're going to do is ring the telephone, and when we ring the telephone, you're going to see a light flash here on the ring setting. I'll let that go a couple times, and we can also turn it down and off. Now the ring is off, and your light will still flash, so that's an indication that you're getting a call. And then we're going to turn it back on, and I'm going to wait a little bit here for a ring cycle, and then turn it all the way up. Go ahead and answer the telephone. And basically what we have here is on the volume control, we can turn it down. That's low, and then high. So we'll go ahead and dial some numbers now. Ending at 2. I'm going to put music on hold. Turn music on hold off. Hit flash. Redial. And if you notice, now that we have the handset off the hook switch, we have a green light here on transmit, a green light on receive, voice, data, and traffic is flashing back and forth. So basically, that's all your lights. And you can turn them off if you wanted to. But that shows you all your lights. And if we hang the telephone up, then it's going back from yellow, idle, and on hook red. Now we had to do a ton of wiring in this telephone and add about 3 extra switches to this hook switch here just to achieve what we wanted to here with all the lights. And we also, on this telephone, I'm going to go ahead and hang it up. We also have the fuse involved. There's a replacement fuse here. That's kind of a little holder replacement fuse. We also have the actual fuse in line here with the power. So that is a working fuse and it does work. And you just unscrew that little cap. This unscrews for an extra fuse. So the fuse is in line with the cap. That gives you a look at what's going on and what we pretty much kind of had to go through to get this telephone in working condition and get it to a state that we wanted it. So I'm going to pick up the handset. I'm going to just set it here. And I want to switch the line over into a regular telephone line and dial like a time and temp number.
Good afternoon. Ford, drive one and you'll know at Offenburg Ford at Belleville and O'Fallon. Today is Monday, March 14th. The time is 3:06. Current temperature 42 degrees. Now the weather forecast for the Belleville area.
Now we'll hang it up. I'll hit redial.
Good afternoon. Shop our entire location online anytime at Offenburg.com. Today is Monday, March 14th. The time is 3:07.
We want to hit flash. I'll dial my number and it'll be busy. We're going to hang the telephone up and I will move it back over into the analyzer and I want to hit the ring cycle again. Let that go one more time. Pick up the handset. Dial tone. Hang the unit up. So this is a really cool telephone, a CA67 military field phone converted for home use. And there was quite a bit to do. We had to build a circuit to get the lights to flash and do what we wanted them to do. We had to do a lot of wiring. We had to add a new PC board to this main board and connect everything up to this dial pad and take everything out of this telephone that had anything to do with the military board because there was nothing there that we could use. And we had to install a jack for the power supply. We had to add a power supply. We incorporated the fuses the fuse into the circuit, and we had to install a mechanical ringer that we designed for these type of military phones so that they have that ringer sound that they do. It's kind of a unique sound, and they use that sound on Battlestar Galactica on their telephones in the show, the TV series, and I guess the movie also. But this is a pretty cool telephone, and we've gotten a lot of calls about this telephone, and Andrew's going to be really happy to get this back, I'm sure. So this is the final checkout video of this telephone. We're finished up, and it can be sent back to Andrew now. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.